Hello YouTube, this is the Zippo collection update. Now this video more than likely will be in separate parts because I can only post up to 15 minutes on YouTube. I wish YouTube could change the regulations, make it 20 minutes so it would be less parts, but unfortunately they don't. So I don't know where I'm going to start, but I think I'm going to start down here. I think it goes over there, which I'll probably just do this and this. I got my little Zippo card here because I haven't memorized the dates yet. So here we go. All these are both new. I don't know if you guys can see it, but both these two are new. This one's used. From here to here are all new in these boxes. So I guess I better start it. First one. Chevy trucks. I don't know what I paid for exactly all these. 2003. I'll try to go semi-quick. Second one, Cardinals. Polished chrome, brand new. Once again, you got the seal on the back. XV, which is 1999. Third one, Dale Earnhardt Jr., number 3. Brand new with the seal. It's a 2002. Fourth one, I think it's the U.S. Marines, I think it is. Correct me if I'm wrong. Brand new with 2010 on it. By the way, I had a request for doing all this on my Zippos. God Bless USA, 2001. Marlboro Zippo with the box, Marlboro. Brand new. Bottom stamp, 2003. Next one, Camel. This one does have the lid, it's still sitting down there. Camel, 1932 replica. Zippo. It says it's the original 1932 replica second release one. Next is this. I don't know what design this is, what they call this, but you tell me. You see me in the camera. Brand new as well. 2000 or XVI. It says on the bottom there. This one's brand new also. 2006. Gideon & Sons Foundry with the Zippo mat here. Or the mat. I wish you can buy these separately. They're pretty cool. I'm going to take it off of this one and put it on mine. 2002. If you are wondering what happened to my other Zippo, I was doing some Zippo tricks with it, and the lid got bent. I can't get it bent back right. 2009. Can't even read it. 2009. Looks like an 8. Zippo Slim, polished chrome. Once again, brand new. Stamps upside down. XV, which I believe is 1999. This might help me memorize Zippo stamps. This one's 2004, as well as this one over here, which is 2004 as well. So I got through all of them. Now I'm supposed to do these. Zippo regular set in chrome, 2011. I don't know when this was made. It's got the old style Zippo box, but it's the Zippo money clip. It says Bull brand, BULL brand. 1937. 1937 and 1950. Has the 2032695 on it. Next one is patent 257191, which I think is 1950 and 1957. Brushed chrome, says Don on it. You can kind of see Don. There it is, Don. Date code 2517191, which I believe still is 1950 1957. This one has a little wore off the polished chrome Zippo. 4 slashes on the left, 3 on the right. So 4 and 3 is in 1967. Next one is this one with the USS Wainwright DLG-28. And by the way, if you know anything about these Zippos, about anything on them, like the USS Wainwright, some of the older ones, let me know. If you happen to know what they're worth too, post a comment. 2 and 1 would be 1971. 20 to go. It says DM. I did not pay 8. I probably paid 6 for it. 3 forward slashes and 3 forward slashes would be 1984. I think that might be back slashes. I can't remember. Oh, by the way, that one was brushed chrome. Next one, another brushed chrome. It's got a little wear on it. Or actually, it's polished chrome. Nope, that's polished chrome, and then it has rubbed off with brushed chrome. It's got 4 on the right, or left, 4 on the left, 4 on the right. Here, I'll show you what I mean here. If I can get it good. 4 and 4. Is 1974. This one's a newer pipe. Is 1 on the left, 1 on the right, which is 1980, and has Zippo sticker because it's been to the Zippo factory. One that says Tiny on it. I don't know who had that. 1 left, 1 on the right, 1980. Another 1 on the left, 1 on the right. Brushed, 1980. I think. Yep. XIII would be 1997. How close am I getting? 8 minutes, 12 seconds? I don't know if I can finish this. Rose design. By the way, the other one was polished. X, which I think is 1989. 94. Harley Davidson motorcycles. Brushed chrome. VI. 90. Century thoroughbred boats. It's got the patent 257191 along with the dots. I think it's a 1950, 1957. If I'm wrong, please correct me. U.S. Fleet Activities, Yokosuka, Japan. Three on the left, 3 on the right, which is 1984. Get it right. Polished chrome, looks like it has some glue on it one time, hot glue. Polished chrome, like I think I said that already. XII 96, which is the year I was born. 2000 XVI. Harley Davidson motorcycles, black matte. 2001. Trucker, says Dan Perkins. Now when I got it, it smelled like bleach. Still, actually it smells like bleach pepper spray type stuff. 2002. U.S. Navy with blue matte. U.S. Navy SEALs, blue matte. It is Can't really see that. Actually, I think I might be able to see it if I had some more light. That's the bad part about this. 2002. Crazy Steve Zippo is a 2003. And Harley Davidson Black Mat Golden Insert 2004. Polished Chrome Zippo 2005. 2007 Polished Chrome. And 2010 Brushed Chrome. I think that was my part 1 Zippo update. Thanks for watching. And look forward to part 2.